something strange is happening to some of the most popular third-party Fire Stick apps. First, it looked like Cinema HD was heading for the exit. Now, even more apps are causing panic for users. One is pushing an update that appears to break the app entirely. Others are showing messages that sound like the end of the road. So, is this just a bad week for streaming apps, or are we watching the start of a much bigger shift? Quick question before we get into the details. Which app has been giving you problems recently? Is it BeeTV, TTV, Cinema HD, Kodi, or something else? Drop the app name and your device below because I want to see how widespread this really is. Here is exactly what is happening with BeeTV. The app asks users to install the newest version, but after updating, it crashes or closes immediately. Sometimes it will not even get past the launch screen. With other apps like TTV and NovaTV, the message is much more final. Users are seeing a note that official support for the app has ended. The message says the original developer will no longer provide updates or bug fixes. Other apps are simply refusing to connect to any servers at all. I tested this myself on a Fire Stick and on my PC. The results were the same on both devices. This tells me it is not just one specific device acting up. It is a clear issue with the apps themselves. When you add what happened with Cinema HD, this no longer looks like random bad luck. It is starting to look like a very clear pattern. There probably is not just one single reason for this, and that is the important part for the user to understand. To you, it feels simple because the app crashes or shows no links. But these apps need a lot of support behind the scenes. They rely on developers, servers, and link scrapers to function. If one part of that chain breaks, the whole app can stop working. Developers can walk away at any time. Updates can break compatibility and servers can go offline. Link sources can disappear without any warning. To us, it all looks the same because the app just stops working. The bigger point is that the old idea of installing one app and expecting it to work forever is over. It is becoming much less reliable. So, what should you actually do right now? First, do not waste time fighting with an app that may already be finished. If it is forcing a bad update or showing a discontinued message, it is time to move on. Open the downloader app and type in code 28907. That will take you straight to my downloads page. It works on Fire Stick, Nvidia Shield, and pretty much any Android device. Here is my golden rule for 2026. Never rely on just one single app. The one and done era is officially over. You need to have at least 2 or 3 solid backups installed. That way, you are not left stranded the next time a developer walks away. TechVibes is here to help you stay ahead of these blackouts. Finally, if you are testing new apps, do not stream unprotected. I always run a VPN on all of my hardware. It will not fix a discontinued app, but it keeps your provider from tracking your activity. I need your help to figure out how deep this goes. Comment below with 3 specific things. Which app is broken for you? What device are you using? And what exactly are you seeing on your screen? Are you seeing a crash, no links, a discontinued message, or an update loop? If enough people report the same issue, I will make a follow-up video. I will show which apps look broken and which ones look abandoned. If this information helped you, hit like so more users see the warning. Subscribe to TechVibes for more updates like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, comment,